Gang, 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 gang.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Francine or Franny. As y'all can tell by the title, y'all see that I attempted this wet look. Y'all, like, this is terrible. This is not cute. This looks like a freaking wash and go. Like, what wet look? I mean, I like the curls. I feel like the curls are cute. I do like the gel that I used was the wet line gel. I do like the gel. But yeah, I feel like this just was a wash and go. This was definitely a freaking wet look fail because I don't know, just let me know what y'all think. But yeah, y'all, if y'all want to see me fail this attempt at this wet look, just continue watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the little bell notification button so you'll be notified every single time that I upload. Ooh, I'm just not feeling this. Let's just go ahead and get started with the video. Alright y'all, so this is my hair freshly co-washed. It's still pretty wet. I used like 3 different conditioners and I co-washed with that. Yeah, y'all should have seen me in the bathroom. I was literally about to cry trying to freaking detangle my hair. I hate putting up with my hair, okay? Using is, I never tried this gel, so I wanted to try the Wet Line Extreme gel. I got the clear kind. I don't really know what other people, I don't know y'all, I just got the clear one, and of course the water bottle. It does have a little bit of conditioner in it. I'm gonna be taking this APHOGEE mousse. I never used this before. I just wanted to try it out. I am going to be applying a little bit of the leftover conditioners that I used to deep conditioner with. I'm going to be using a little bit of that, and I got me some clips as well. I'm just going to go ahead and wrap this towel around me because we're about to get wet. Literally. Go ahead and start sectioning my hair off. In the back. Girl, my forehead is so big. Look how big my forehead is. Oh my god, y'all. I've been wearing nothing but wigs lately, y'all. I feel like it's been like affecting my hairline. Alright y'all, so now that I pinned this top up, I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. My hair is like really growing, y'all. It's like, I don't know if y'all can see it, it's like past my armpits now. I'm so excited. I'm gonna straighten it in a little bit, and I'll probably straighten it in probably like a month. Go ahead and spray this section down with water, and I'm gonna make it really, really wet. Alright y'all, so it's basically really wet. I think I'm gonna just part the sections a little bit smaller. I just think there's just too much hair to be working with. I'm looking about that much for right now. Sorry about my lighting, y'all. The lighting is going like in and out. I'm just gonna apply the gel to the section. Like so. Like these. What it's looking like. I know the part is probably crooked, but alright y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my brush and the part down like this. Alright, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and start applying the mousse in a downward motion. I'm gonna be applying the mousse, and just like we applied the Eco Styler gel, like this. Like this. Alright, y'all, so I'm just gonna go ahead and gonna go ahead and part the next section. Alright, so take a little bit more conditioner, run it on there. I only got like a small container because, like I said, I never used this just before. I don't know if I like it or not, so I just got a So I'm just gonna take these little clips and pin it down just to see if it can, you know, help my edges, help my hair lay down. I'm just gonna spray it down with some more water. Y'all, my hair will not lay down for nothing. I don't know if it's the products that I'm using or what, but it just will not lay down. And y'all can see the back of my curls are way looser than the front of my curls, which I hate. That is so ugly. But y'all see it? I'm gonna go ahead and try to like make it look cute. Cause girl, it was definitely a fail. Alright y'all, so I'm just gonna tie it down a little bit just to see if it makes it look better. Alright y'all, so it's been about 15 minutes. Alright, let's see how this look, y'all. Girl, like, this is, like, I don't know, y'all. Like, this is no wet look, child. This is literally a wash and go. This is, and it's getting like frizzy a little bit as well. Like, I mean, the curls are pretty, but this is supposed to be a wet look, not a wash and go. And this looks like a freaking wash and go. It is not laying down, y'all, at all. Let me know what y'all think down below in the comments. And, just let me know like what you think I did wrong or right. Like what products you think I should try to use. Because I feel like I'm gonna try to attempt this again, because girl, this is just not it. Y'all, this is just not it. Let me turn. Anyway, y'all, thank y'all so much for watching. Yeah, thank y'all for watching me fail this freaking wet look. Anyway, y'all, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in my next video.